is no substitute for hard work.
Hi, so 7 days to PSLE. Let's read today's question. There were some marbles in boxes A, B, and C. Box A contained 20% of the total number of marbles. The ratio of the number of marbles in B to the total number of marbles in A and C is 2:1. If there are 24 more marbles in B than in C, find the total number of marbles in all three boxes. Alright, so first piece of information, A, 20% of the total. Let me change the 20% to a fraction in its simplest form. And I'm going to write down the ratio for this. If A contained 1/5 of the total, means A would be 1/5 and the rest would be 4/5, right? And the rest in this case, we are referring to B and C. So the ratio of A is to B plus C would be 1 unit and 4 units. Okay, 1:4. Next, the ratio of the number of marbles in B to the total number of marbles in A and C is 2:1. So the ratio would be B is to A plus C. That's 2:1. So now let's take a look at our ratios. We have A, B, C for one. We have the other B, A, C. So both consist of A, B, and C, isn't it? Which means they are both referring to the total, isn't it? Okay, so this question have a total column. Let's compare the total. They are supposed to be the same. So the first ratio, total 5 units. The second ratio, total is 3 units. Let's make the total the same by multiplying. So 5, I will times 3 to make it 15. 3, I would times 5 to make it 15. Okay, so let's change our whole entire ratios, the whole set. So I would have 3:12 and 10:5. Check that the total now, they're the same. So we can now write down the ratio for A is to B is to C separately. A, 3 units. B, 10 units. How about C? Let's find out. So since the total is 15, I'm going to take away A, which is 3, take away B, which is 10, C left with 2 units. So C would be 2 units. The question tells us that there were 24 more marbles in B than C. So we compare B and C. The difference is 10 minus 2. The difference is 8 units. So we know that 8 units make up 24 marbles. So we are able to find out what's 1 unit by dividing. 1 unit is 3 marbles. And to find the total number of marbles in all the 3 boxes, that would be 15 units, which is 3 times 15. That gives us 45 marbles in total. And that's the end of this question. I'll see you tomorrow.